The Prince by Machiavelli was written in 1513. The good ruler will build a strong and successful state that provides prosperity and peace for its citizens. Maintaining it sometimes requires action at odds with the moral of the day. The Prince is said to have been bedtime reading for Napoleon, Hitler, and Stalin, and Shakespeare used the term Machiavellian to mean a schemer who was happy to sacrifice people for evil aims. The Prince was dedicated to a member of Florence's ruling aristocracy in an effort to gain employment, and though it was perhaps written with an eye to a larger audience, its author could not have guessed its impact on later generation. His view is that politics and religion are two different realms. The good, while a noble aim, was best left to the private and religious spheres, while the effectiveness of a ruler should be measured by virtue, the decisive strength or prowess needed to build and preserve a state. His conclusion is that a leader cannot be effective operating in a Caesarian way if all about him are unscrupulous or rapacious. To preserve his good aims, Machiavelli famously says the prince must learn how to be other than good. A ruler has to make choices than the normal citizen never does, such as whether to go to war or what to do about people trying to kill or overthrow you. To maintain order and peace and preserve the honor of your state, it may be necessary to act in a way that as a private citizen you never would. A prince must be able to act both as man and beast. Machiavelli states an effective ruler must be a fox to know snares and a lion to drive off wolves. He imagines the wise leaders as spending many of his hours during peacetime considering various scenarios of war and working out how the kingdom will respond if the event actually happens. A prince could fool himself into believing that his energies should be spent on other things, but ultimately his role is to protect and preserve the state. He gives low marks to the Roman Emperor Commodus and Maximus, who made cruelty a way of life. They became so hated that their premature deaths were inevitable. Not only in excess cruelty bad, therefore it is politically unwise. In doing so, you will be feared and can later be seen to be magnanimous by your favors. In contrast, a half-hearted coup will allow your enemies to live on, and you will be forever be fearful of being overthrown.